Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Oura Ring. First, choose the best finger for wearing your Oura Ring, typically your index or middle finger. Make sure it fits snugly, but comfortably, allowing for slight movement without spinning. Charge your ring regularly. A full charge takes about 20 to 80 minutes. Remember to sync your ring with the Oura app every day to access your personalized health data and insights. The Oura Ring provides detailed insights into your sleep patterns. It accurately tracks your sleep stages, differentiating between REM, deep, and light sleep, giving you a comprehensive view of your night. You'll see your total sleep time and efficiency, helping you understand how well you're resting. Check your daily sleep score in the app, which is a single number from 0 to 100 to gauge your sleep quality and identify areas for improvement. Beyond sleep, your Oura Ring is a powerful tool for tracking activity and recovery. It monitors your daily steps, calorie burn, and overall movement. Crucially, it assesses your body's recovery through metrics like heart rate variability and resting heart rate. The app then gives you an activity score and a readiness score, both ranging from 0 to 100, to help you balance your workouts and rest, ensuring you're performing at your best. To get the most out of your Oura Ring, explore its advanced features within the app. Discover guided meditations and educational content to enhance your well-being. Utilize rest mode when you need extra recovery, perhaps during illness or after a particularly strenuous period. Remember to clean your ring regularly with a soft cloth and mild soap to maintain its sensors. Always keep your Oura app updated to enjoy the newest features and performance enhancements.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.